I look so Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back to my channel if you're already a subscriber. You're loyal, I like you. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, share, like and comment. I'm so sorry for the noise, my window's open, it's boiling hot today. Today I'm just going to work and I thought, why not film my everyday makeup tutorial for you guys? I've gotten so many requests. I know this is crazy, my everyday makeup look. I know it looks this crazy. Just wear soft glam every single day and I have no shame about it. Anyways, please make sure you follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and subscribe to my channel. Everything will be here and down below. All the information for the makeup would also be listed down below. Oh my god, I hate the noise. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just warning you, I look like Snow White in the next shot, so don't come for me. I can't believe how pale I am. I literally look like Snow White. Disgusting!
Snow White who?
Also, yep, I did dye my hair, if you just can see from the front. Let's get started, shall we? First thing I do is use the Weleda Skin Food Moisturizer. I basically bought both. There's the light and there's the intense. Whenever my skin feels super dehydrated, I basically use the intense. I've been using the intense more than the light one because I personally like a very thick moisturizer. I'm just gonna take a little bit like this. I guess you can just measure how much your skin needs and wants in terms of moisture, and I kind of just pat it on my face and I start to blend it out. I also put it on my eyelids as I do suffer from eczema on my eyes, especially on my left eye. Also make sure you moisturize your neck.
You don't want a saggy old neck when you're old, okay?
Next thing I'm gonna do is apply SPF as it is very, very hot today. The sun is out and blasting. Unfortunately, I'll be at work indoors, but SPF I'm using is not coming out. So the SPF I'm using is the La Roche Posay 50 plus. Supposed to do 3 fingers for your face and neck. What is this ugly spot? No one invited you. Next thing I do is use this primer glow from this brand. I'm not gonna say the brand because I don't support them. I think you can just figure it out from the packaging, right? Yeah, anyways,
no shade but shade.
This is the primer glow. I know it looks super dark compared to my face. For foundations or like a base, these are the two that I always alternate between. So I either use the CC cream, which is a new discovery from IT Cosmetics, and I absolutely love this. This is so nice for an everyday look. However, the color is too light, so I want to get another one and mix it with it. Literally just gives me a tiny bit of darkness and that's it, whereas I like to be super dark. So for that, instead I'm going to use the Soft Matte Complete Foundation from Nars. This is in the shade Valencia, guys. This is the best foundation on earth, and especially for a hot weather like today. And with this, you just need a tiny amount. When I was in Dubai, this is the only thing that would last on my face in the heat, so I'm just gonna use a really small amount and I mix it together just to give it a nice glowy look, and I literally just apply it like this. This is not how dark I'm going to look at the end, by the way, because I do use lighter concealers and I contour and I highlight, so it all makes sense in the end. I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup the NYX Professional Makeup brush in the color 3. Oh my god, am I crazy? The NYX Professional brush in number 3. This is the best brush to buff makeup out. Just blends it so beautifully. And for foundation, guys, I would genuinely recommend to use a brush rather than a sponge. By the way, trust the process. I look mad right now, but at the end it's gonna look great. The next thing I use is a corrector, any peachy corrector you've got, and you just need like a really tiny amount. Why am I talking like that? Using my finger just to melt that. You can already see the difference it did. So after that, I do use a concealer that's dark. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the color 425 Tan Sand. For the concealer, I do use a sponge. For the cream contour, I used to use the Terracotta foundation stick from Glam, but unfortunately they discontinued it. I find it so annoying when brands discontinue things that are really good. If you're looking for a very good affordable cream bronzer that melts on your skin, it's this one by XXRevolution, and it's also massive. Like, let me just open it and show you the color. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. This is in the shade Candid. This is the cream bronzer. It melts beautifully into the skin. They have various shades as well. You can get this from Boots. So for now, I'm just using the Sleek Cream Contour Kit. This is in the color Extra Dark. I've literally just been rotating. Sorry, this looks super dirty, but I mean, I'm using it. What do you expect? It's not gonna be clean. I've been mixing these two colors. So I'm using this brush for my cream contours from Peaches and Cream in the color 18. And I basically just dip my brush like this. And I go above... What the hell? Am I installing or something? Why is my voice breaking? And I go above the cheekbone down. I just kind of like tap it on. I apply and blend with the same brush. Same on the forehead. You just stop where the brow is, because I'm going to use concealer later to basically lift the whole area, and also on the jawline. And I bring it down the neck. I kind of do it behind my ears a bit because I do use a darker color than my face to make sure everything is like cohesive. Okay, now for the nose, I go under the nose right there. I'm gonna be making weird faces.
We love annoying people that are driving past and have to make the most noise.
I bring it to the sides. I also do a bit like this. For concealer, this is the Ginger Soft Matte Complete Concealer from Nars. I have been loving this so much. I just take my sponge and I spin it in it, and it just picks up the product like this. Let me just show you how pretty this is. And I'm just gonna put a little bit under the contour from here and here. And to blend the sides, I use the other side of the sponge, like the flat side, and I also sometimes do under my chin. Once I have powdered, this crazy line is gonna look normal. I also use cream blush before I do powder products. So this is the B by Superdrugs. It's called the Liquid Blush in Coral, and I just literally put a little bit on the back of my hand. That's enough. And then I take this brush from Zoeva, Deluxe Highlighter Brush. It's a highlighter brush, but I use it for blush, and apply it like so. Again, it's above my contour. I do apply my blush quite high because I like the lift. I also do it on my nose. I love that like sunburnt look. I know that's so stupid, but that's what I love. If you get any brush hairs on your face but you don't want to ruin your makeup, just use a spoolie and take it off.
My scarf is receding, so do please forgive me.
Don't know why, but hey. Moving on to my favorite palette, baking, and I'm using the Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Banana Bread, and so I bake the living life out of my face every single day. The sponge I use is from Fenty Beauty. It came in a duo, and I just press. This is the key to long-lasting makeup, and makeup that doesn't crease, makeup that looks flawless in pictures. If you go on my Instagram, my makeup always looks flawless, and that's due to baking, literally. On my nose too. I bake very well around my mouth because when I eat, I don't want my makeup to move from around my mouth. The sides, like my contours, I take the actual Huda Beauty brush and I take the thick side and I press it on. I told you, I bake the living life out of my face. Now for the neck, the back of my neck, I know this is crazy, I do put makeup on the back of my neck because otherwise I'll be discolored. I take this fat fluffy brush from Primark. It's called 115 Large Powder Brush, and I literally puff everything in. I obviously can't show you that because I'll need to take my shirt off.
Double chin baked, everything baked.
Now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. My eyes are pretty simple. I kind of do the same thing every day. I use an eye base. This is from P. Louise in the color 3. I take a tiny bit on the back of my hand. I take this brush, M421 from Morphe. I'm just gonna apply that on. Now guys, this has really saved my life. Makes my eye makeup last me so well. I do have very watery eyes, and this for some reason just makes my eye makeup last. I'm going to use my fingers just to tap this in.
I need to hurry up because I'm going to work and I need to make sure I'm not late.
For eyeshadow, I literally do the same thing every day. I use the Morphe Artistry Palette 39A Dare to Create. I literally use this shadow every single day. Oh my god, I'm gonna poke my eyes out. This is the brush I use. It's already got the product on it. Amazing brush. It's called R39 for applying and blending shadow. I literally just pop that on. I kind of follow that line I create for myself with the bake, so everything is nice and lifted. I hope I'm explaining well because I don't know how to teach. I literally pop that like almost all over my eyelid. I use this brush to blend. This is a Weleda 228 brush. I apply and blend with a clean fluffy brush, and then I get a smudger brush. This is the Luxe pencil brush in the number 230. By the way, I'm taking the same shadow under my eye. I'm just smoking it out. This is super random, but do you know what I hate, guys?
Here goes Nadine complaining about being TikTok famous, lol.
I hate when people meet me at my work and they pretend like they don't know me. They start acting weird, being way too friendly in a weird way. I'm friendly anyways, but like don't pretend like you don't know me, and then I get a DM from you saying, oh my god, you helped me earlier today. Like if you tell me on the spot I saw your TikToks or I know you or I've seen your content online, that's fine, but don't be a creep. Like that happened to me before a couple of times. times. It's like people will pretend like they don't know who I am. I can tell when you know me. Like, I'm not stupid. I just love it when people come up to me and say hi, or be like, oh my god, I watch your TikTok, or you're so funny. That makes my day. But don't be a creep.
Oh my god, like, would you help me please? What do you think of this?
I don't care.
If you were talking to me, you're longing at an interaction, you just told me you know me, I don't mind. But if you're longing at the interaction and you're just pretending like you don't know who I am, I find that so creepy. I don't know why. I'm not being mean, because if you've ever come up to me and you know me, I'm not mean. If anybody's awkward, I always try to diffuse the moment. If you've ever met me, let me know down below. And if you ever meet me, please don't stare at me and not say anything. I'm not even famous on that level, but I just find it so scary. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use the eye kohl pencil from MAC. It's in the color Costa Riche. This is the best brown pencil you will ever try. I always bring it out a little bit in a corner. Not crazy like the Arabic style, just like giving myself a really nice sultry. Now I'm going to use this mascara from Inglo. It's called the Long and Curly Mascara. I just love the wand. It's dry now, but I like a dry mascara. I use it to literally dust off any powder. I wear lashes every single day. I know that's weird for some people, but it's just me. These are my favorite. These are the TL2 Jamie 2 from Tarte Lashes. This is a new pair. I'm so excited. I'm just going to open it and cut it and glue it on. People have been asking me what I'm wearing on my lashes, which means it's like a good indicator to whether it's actually a nice lash or not. This is a close-up to what it looks like. For the brows, guys, I use the NYX micro brow pencil in Espresso. I brush my brows down and I draw them on. So guys, I normally extend my brows a little bit so I can lift my brow. I kind of go in and do feathery kind of strokes to my brows, and then I brush them up just to blend it a bit. For bronzer, the Morphe Glamour Bronze Trailblazer, I just use this tiny brush from
This brand that we don't mention.
I'm just gonna kind of like fluff it on and also like tap it like this. I don't know why I can't find a bronzer that doesn't separate in a way or separates my makeup. For blush, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. This is the duo, so Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I like to use this one, Ginger Binge. I'm going to use this brush. I have two of these brushes. This Luxe Highlighter brush from Weleda. I have one for the wet products and one for the dry products. I really like a glowy blusher recently, and I also put it on my nose. And then I also mix an orange blusher. This is the Retro Blush from XXRevolution. Now to set my brows, guys, I use the NYX Control Freak Brow Mascara in the color Clear. I'm going to use the MAC Hyper Real Glow in Gold Light. I love this shade. Use it like this. I love highlighting my forehead and a bit on the chin. Then I get a little brush and I take that and pop it on the bridge of my nose. I also do a little bit under the brow. This is the Urban Decay setting spray. If you use a lot of powder like me, it's the best setting spray to use to melt everything in. What I've been doing as well recently, I saw this on Instagram, I wet my sponge and I just press under my eye. Now for the lips, I'm always using the same combo. This is the Cork lip liner from MAC. So I line my lips like this. For the lipstick, I'm going to have to tell you where it's from. I still don't support this brand. If you want to know why, guys, I will let you know in another video that's just specified to my experience working at that place. The lipstick I always use is Super Cindy. And then I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss from Dior. This is the Lip Maximizer in the shade 04. So pretty. And then I find out I need more blusher once the lipstick is on. So basically I wear a soft glam look every single day when I leave the house. So I'm back, guys, and I'm just putting my jewelry on. If you want to know where my jewelry is from, I will link it below. My necklaces, however, are real gold. If you are a jewelry brand and you want to work with me, please go ahead and contact me. I absolutely love jewelry. I always wear jewelry. I don't think you should ever leave the house without some jewelry on. I think it finishes off the look. So anyways, this is the makeup. Let me just show you how my makeup looks in normal lighting. Yeah, so this is my makeup in natural lighting. I'll also take pictures and put them up here so you guys can see how my makeup looks in selfies, pictures, and I'm gonna take ones with flash as well. I just love my lashes. I look so cute, girl. I really hope you like the makeup and you find it easy. What I'm gonna do, guys, is wear it throughout my day, my work day, and come back to you and show you how it looks without doing anything to it, so you can see how long my makeup lasts. This is my OOTD for today. This shirt was Zara sale a couple of years ago. These jeans are H&M. They are boot cut. This scarf is my mom's from a long time ago. I don't know from where. Let me know what you want to see next. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment. It's my favorite thing to read comments. I will try my very best to reply. So guys, this is my skin a couple of hours later with the front camera. This is my skin and I'm still at work. So guys, I just got home. This is my back camera and I'm just showing you how my skin looks. So this is it. I've just powdered because the oil was just mad. I just thought I will finalize this video. My makeup has been on, put the timestamp here. It's currently 20 past 12 midnight and this is my makeup. This spot is basically growing by the minute. Ooh, why am I breaking out like this?
That's not nice.
Anyways, this is my makeup. This is how long it's lasted me. Literally all I need is a little bit of powder because it's just shine. If I just do that, I obviously redid my lipstick because obviously I eat. It's better, right? That spot is really giving me trauma right now. This is the makeup. I really hope you guys find this helpful. If you do end up recreating my daily makeup routine, then let me know. I know this is obviously not everybody's daily. I am a makeup artist at the end of the day. I do love being glamorous and looking glam all the time. This is just a soft glam look. It's like a treat to myself. I enjoy looking good all the time. If you don't wear that much makeup, that's absolutely fine. It's just part of me. It's my personality. Let me know if you do recreate this look. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Also don't forget to follow me on my socials, which is Instagram and TikTok. Finally, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have an amazing day, night, whatever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye. I love lettuce.